right? So in this series, we're talking about what is SEO, the importance of SEO, how to do SEO, and how it can help any business get more visibility, get more appearances, get more traffic, and that to free traffic, right? So in this free series, I'm going to teach you the basics of how to do on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and pretty much the basic elements of what SEO stands for. In the previous video, we talked about why we need SEO and what are the different basic elements of SEO, right? Search engine optimization. So today we'll talk about on-page optimization. What is on-page optimization? It is basically optimization of your website and pretty much what your article is about that you're trying to rank. On-page optimization involves the keyword research, right? First, you need to do keyword research. Okay, now you need to have a perfect keyword for what you're trying to rank. Okay, it's really helpful to rank a long tail keyword. That way it's easier to rank actually, because majority of internet searchers are using long tail searches, right? For example, where can I find a pressure cooker? They're not just searching pressure cooker. I mean, they are, but if you target where can I find pressure cooker, you're more likely to see lesser competition for that particular keyword and easier to rank for that particular keyword. Okay, we'll talk more about keyword research, but let's finish what different points, what are the different categorization of on-page optimization. Okay, so we need to do keyword research. We need to have content strategy. Okay, so basically what content strategy is that we need to have not just one keyword that we're targeting. Of course, we need one money keyword, which is the primary keyword that we are trying to rank for. And we need to search for different types of keywords in the similar group or family. So for example, it can have synonyms and stuff like that, right? So you need to write synonyms. If you just do keyword targeting or keyword stuffing in your article, you're just gonna get penalized or banned by Google. Okay, and this is a very common thing that happens across many SEO agencies and SEO optimizers, right? So marketers. So what happens is that they stuff their articles with keywords, hoping that that post will rank on Google. It may rank for some time, but it will definitely go down. I mean, Google knows very much. It's very smart. I mean, their algorithms are very smart and very quick to understand that you're trying to optimize your page so that Google picks you up, right? So that's not a very likable approach by Google, right? So what you need to do is be very natural, and natural in sense of like write a good article, provide value, and address what your keyword is asking for. For example, if you're assuming or if you're targeting a keyword for how to lose weight, your article should address that question. Your article should answer that question. You need to have proper value in your article. You need to tell the reader that, okay, this is how you're gonna lose weight, this is where you're gonna buy your digital cameras and stuff like that. So this is the key of all search engine optimization. You need to answer what your keyword is questioning or what your searcher is questioning, and you need to have a proper content strategy. Strategy is basically having good website layout, internal linking. For example, you have how to lose weight. In that article, you're gonna link to another article that says, okay, this I also did this. If you want to look at my case study, and then link your article, link another article which has your case study to your main article, right? So basically, you're forming a structure in your website. So basically, each and every article is taking the other articles with them, right? So Google likes that because it's very structured and very organized. So that's one way of having a good content strategy. And another content strategy is basically placing keywords or synonyms of keywords, right, in your article, in your main article actually. Okay, so that's one good content strategy we're going to talk more about in our advanced classes, but that's the content strategy. Another good point that we're going to talk about in on-page optimization is that you need to have a good format, formatting of your article. Basically what we're doing is you need to have a proper h1 tag, h1 or h2 or h3 tag in your article, and you need to show that this particular keyword is the prime focus of your article, right? Google looks at your article and see what different keywords or phrases you're focusing on, right? If you're bolding, okay, or bold, italicized, or underline keywords, right? So basically what you need to do is focus on all of these for your particular keywords in that article. Don't make it too crappy, don't make it too junky, because Google knows that you're trying to rank for something. Don't have any motive behind it. Just think of it as writing a natural article addressing the question that your searcher is asking for, right? So, but at the same time, you need to make sure that your article is streamlined and on the same page, right? So for example, if you're writing about how to lose weight, right? So your article should have how to lose weight as your title, or at least along those lines. For example, you can have how to lose a lot of weight, or how to lose 30 pounds in a month, right? That's a good title, so you can go for that. Or how to lose weight in a summer, right? How to lose weight fast. These are different keywords, these are different phrases that you can target for on page, right? So, and we'll talk about the competition and everything in our further in our future videos, but for now, these are different categories of on-page optimization that you need to talk about, right? And so this is basically formatting or structure of your article. This is the primary structure of your article here. Format, that's the main really important part of your technical part of your on-page optimization. For example, let me show you one page. Here, this is a WordPress website, right? So here, when I'm writing a title, for example, how to lose weight in a summer, right? Or for example, how to lose 30 pounds in a summer. That's a good title. Have an attractive title which addresses your keyword, right? So for example, this is a very good keyword. For now, let's just roll with this keyword. And then for this keyword, we're going to address this searcher, right? So how do we lose 30 pounds in a summer? You're going to address that by, to lose 30 pounds, you need to do the following things, right? You need to drink a lot of water, right? Do more than usual exercises, or run and stuff like that, right? So you're gonna have all of these points and information in your article that's gonna address the main keyword, which is how to lose 30 pounds in a summer. In this article, what you need to focus is that you need to have a good H1 title. So for example, of course, format it better, have a capital letter and stuff like that, good grammar, and you can have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Do you see these headings? So if you put the heading 2, okay, that's a good heading. Basically you get the gist, right? You need to have a focus keyword that you're gonna have in your heading, and then add a couple more headings. Don't junk it, don't just trash the whole article. Have it quality. As higher the quality, quicker your rank and more keywords you're gonna rank for. So a good keyword research will get a good number of keywords that you're gonna target in your article. So as many keywords you're gonna target in your article, those many keywords you're gonna rank for. Not the exact same amount, I'll tell you more in the advanced classes, but for example, you want to focus your article in this, then you can bold it. Okay, this is one keyword. So you have another title, for example, if you would like to lose lots of fat, you need to focus on running. Okay, so now this is also a keyword, right? Lose lots of fat. So what you do is you make it italics or create bold. So this is one way of showing the user and as well as the machine that this is an important word that you're trying to focus. This sort of gives a direction to Google that your article is about losing lots of fat, losing 30 pounds, you need to do usual exercises, and you need to drink lots of water and stuff like that. These bullet points, they also are a way of showing that these are important points that you're focusing on. So basically you need to have all these points that show that your points, okay, points or numbered lists. So these are different points that's gonna make your article look well structured. So basically this, if you address all these points very well, it means that you have well done on-page optimization. Okay, so this is technical on-page part. Okay, the formatting is technical. Here, this is strategies. Doing a good keyword research is a good strategy. Having a good website layout, internal linking is a good strategy. These are all gonna boost your on-page article optimization. Okay? So basically this is your core information, and you're gonna use these parts to boost your core content to the first page of Google. This is the most important part of on-page optimization. You need to have this in so that your page or your article ranks really high on Google. Okay, that's it for this class. Next class we'll talk about off-page optimization and why you need it. All right, thank you.